What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, welcome if it's your first time here. Well, guys, today we are at the New River Railroad Bridge. It is in Scott County, Tennessee, and this is the tallest bridge in Tennessee. It's 389 feet, I think that it is. You can see there it's extremely tall, and it is still in use today, meaning trains still come over this thing, and I can hear back in the background vibrations coming through this bridge and these train tracks, making sounds like a train may be coming anytime here soon. So let's walk on down here and take a look at this, and hopefully a train will come through when we are here. It is horrifying. I've been here before, about 5 or 6 years ago actually, and when a train crosses over that bridge and you see that, you're thinking, what if this thing derails and comes down through here? It would be absolutely devastating. You'd be dead, because this is so high, and you can see how high this bridge is, and this camera, you know, doesn't give it justice. When you're here, you can actually see how tall this bridge is, and it's actually quite spooky. It crosses the river. And so let's turn the camera around here and let's walk down here and take a look at what's going on in here at this bridge. You can see there was a gate here at one time, apparently. I see the railroad company owns this part here where it crosses. Hopefully no meth heads are down here camping out or anything. Luckily, I always carry a gun just in case. So you never can tell what you're going to run into in these places like this that are off the beaten path. Here you can see how high this thing is. Can you imagine being the guy driving the train, the conductor, crossing over this bridge? I mean, look at that. Almost 400 feet in the air. You can tell it's been raining quite a bit. I don't see any really fresh tracks, so I don't think anyone's been down here in the last, probably yesterday right there, looks like, as the last visitor down here. You can see here people camps out, and they've been burning old tires. That's something the meth head would do. There's a gate on that side. But you can see this massive support structure. I'm not sure when this bridge was built. If I can do a little research and find out when this bridge was constructed, I will add that to the video. Over here, trash, as you can see, lots and lots of trash. Someone's hat, a rabbit, garbage, no trespassing signs, lots of trash and garbage here dumped out. As you can see, like someone's been living here or something maybe. Nasty. People's socks. And there is what was a syringe or someone was shooting up, looks like. See what I was telling you about meth heads being around. But that's a syringe right there that's been used. Over there looks like someone may have been living over there. Had a tent or something right there where it's packed down. You can see it's more brown over there, and there's less greenery in that area right there, and all this trash. So I would say someone's been camping out right there, some meth head. And there's a box of air mattress came in. They was probably sleeping on. They could have just had the air mattress laying over there. And that's why that's more brown and not green, where it's been pressed down. But yeah, that's definitely not a good sign. But this bridge, man, it is impressive. As you can see. Can you imagine being on a meth trip? Some crazy meth head shot up, and being down here in the terrain, crossing over top of this thing. I keep hoping we're going to come through here in a minute so we can film the train coming through. Usually there's a train comes through about once every hour here. Don't think anyone's been down here in a little while. Well, since it looked like yesterday someone drove down here. Glass. Someone just broke. That's part of a mirror from a car. You can see. Massive supports. Almost 400 feet. That is a tall bridge. As you can see, it's actually narrow. I think the whole bridge was, not sure how long this bridge was. Try to bring it up right now and see. The bridge itself stretches 389 feet above the ground. So it's 389 feet. It was built in 1963. And it is 1,068 feet long. And it's 1,130 feet above sea level. And it took some major engineering to build this bridge. It really did. When you think about trying to build this bridge, putting in these massive support structures and all that steel to build this bridge back in the 1960s. More trash. It's like a bone, probably from a dog someone has killed and brought over here, more than likely. The river's down there. If you can see that they're not. Everything is all grown up right now with underbrush. But there should be a train passing by any minute now, you would think. I can hear cars on the road. And that's a pretty good distance away, actually. So it's amazing how far the sound of cars travel. Walk back up here a little bit. There's an old tire someone's threw out to burn later on, or it will be burnt later on, more than likely by some meth head. Huge structure. Guys, I really need to get a drone so I can make better videos for you all. If I had a drone, I could fly up and get the full view of this bridge out this way, over the river, all the way across and back, and make a lot better videos of this type for you all. You can see all the chemtrails. They were supposed to have banned chemtrails in Tennessee, but you can see it's still happening. So apparently that ban, is it being enforced, or is it being obeyed by the whoever's over this project of blocking out the sun, which that's what that is. You can see how the chemtrails go for miles, all the way through for miles, and it spreads out. And they're doing that to block out the sun because they say it's too hot. They got to fight global warming. They have to fight man-made climate change. And a lot of what's being sprayed out is aluminum, small particles of aluminum to deflect the sunlight back out into space and keep it off the earth, because we don't need sun. We don't need carbon dioxide either, according to these globalist psychopaths. Now guys, I definitely need a drone. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below this video in the first pinned comment to my PayPal account. And if you want to help me get a drone, you can leave a donation via PayPal, and I'll put that money back towards buying a drone so I can make better videos for you all. As you can see, this bridge goes all the way through out there, all the way across. I wish I had a drone. I really do. I could fly up there with the drone and get a lot better viewpoint of this bridge from the top part, and especially when a train comes through. I don't know the law about that. Having a drone up next to the train would be legal, but I guarantee you one thing, if we had a drone, we would do it to see what happened. Well guys, I waited here over an hour to get that shot of that train coming across this track. It was pretty awesome. I wish you all were here to see that. I'm sure this camera didn't do it justice. I wish I had a drone, like I said, so I could have flew up there with the drone and got a bird's eye view of that train coming through one of these tracks. It would have been totally awesome. Again, if you want to help out, let's send a donation so I can buy a drone. I'll put my PayPal donation link in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. Hope you liked the video. I thought it was pretty awesome. Like I said, I had to wait and wait and wait and wait, and I thought that was never going to happen. I was beginning to think that maybe they had rerouted the trains some other way and wasn't using this bridge any longer because it might be dangerous or something like that because it is so high. But finally a train came through. I'm glad I got to share that with you all because it was pretty awesome. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'm the Creekmore. I'm out here, and I'll see you all in the next video, hopefully.